Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, Charting Man Dan here, looking at AMD daily, weekly, and hourly time frames. So this is a perfect uptrend on the 3-month daily chart. And look at these bounces, middle Bollinger Band support, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tests and holds of those levels. So we know after a key moving average support has been tested and held so many times, it would be a big red flag if that level were to become resistance. So 691 is that support, and it shows the strength here after that breakout, the fact that we bounced off of the 10-day, didn't even need to test that middle Bollinger Band. So let's look at these breakouts. So we had a breakout, normal healthy consolidation on decreasing volume. That's exactly what the bulls want to see. A little bit of a red flag here when we saw increasing bearish volume and a pretty sharp move to the downside. The bounce attempt rejecting from the 10-day moving average resistance, lower high set, but then held that middle Bollinger Band and continued the higher highs. And then once we got above 716, that was a big sigh of relief for the bulls as it kept the higher low and higher high trend going. So after that breakout, we saw again normal healthy consolidation on decreasing bearish volume. That's the key. Anytime we consolidate, the bulls want to see decreasing volume. Perfect bullish reversal dragonfly doji off of that 10-day moving average support, and now confirm that reversal candlestick on Friday with a green day. So the bulls are waiting for this upper Bollinger Band to ascend. It's at $7.85. We'll be closer to $8 on Monday. That $8 psychological resistance is where we topped out. So the bulls want to break that level, turn it into support to continue this very strong trend. Weekly time frame has been very strong. So just like the daily in the middle Bollinger Band, a loss of this 10-week moving average support, which really hasn't even been tested in the past 4 months, a loss of that level would be a big red flag for the bulls, but there is no sign of that in sight. And we can see here, nice bull flag, consolidation, continuation to the upside, and that's really been the pattern. Big bullish breakout, a bull flag of consolidation, continuation, and we are seeing a bearish reversal candlestick this week. That is a hanging man at the top of an uptrend. So we're going to be keeping an eye out for potential further consolidation. But as long as it's healthy, decreasing volume, as long as that maintains the trend, the bulls are in control. And what you can be looking for to indicate the continuation, the tightening ranges. So we had a strong move here, then we pulled back. The range of this week was greater than the range of this week. So a tightening range, and then once the break occurs, so the high of this past week was 515, and then we broke it to 524, and then there's your continuation right there. Same thing here, range tightens within the previous week, and then as soon as we broke 685, that was the go signal, and higher highs hit. So now we have another week falling within the range of the previous week. We'll see if this coming week we're going to sit within the range of 720 to 795. If that's the case, we know that the next week, which would be the second week in September, we will be looking for a potential continuation pattern where the range of the previous week is used as a guide to know if that bullish break is coming. Another example back here, we had a tightening range compared to the previous week. As soon as the high of that week, 285, was broken, that was the bull signal, and there's your continuation. So let's now look at the hourly to get the clear signal most recently on when the bulls showed back up. So back on Wednesday, we lost the 20-period moving average support on the hourly. This is the 5-day chart. That was a bearish indication. We rejected from it multiple times on Thursday, traded right at it by the end of the day. And then on Friday, we had a bullish start above that level to start the day, and the go signal was the back test, bouncing right off that level, and then continuation to the upside. So there's a new support we're going to be watching close, the 20-period hourly support. As long as that holds, the bulls are looking to head back towards that $8 level. If we cannot break $8 and then we lose that 20-period moving average support, it's likely we see further consolidation to start next week. So there's a key hourly support to be watching, $8 psychological resistance, daily upper Bollinger Band resistance right around that $8 level, and we will see what next week brings. I appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your weekend.